tides are against them. A very good morning to Reverend Father Vinoy, the manager of a school, Reverend Father Alvin Pinto, the principal of a school, Reverend Sister Sita, Headmistress Primary Wing, Reverend Sister Mabel, Headmistress Pre-Primary Wing, Mr. Josmon Baby, Coordinator of the Middle School, members of the staff, respected parents, and my dear students. Myself, Aradhana Jain, feels great privilege today to host the program of a Tiny Tots class nursery, LKG and UKG who presented their talent to an audience and judges. On 20th August 2021, St. Joseph's conducted an online solo singing competition based on the theme of motivation and patriotism. As we all know, music not only binds our heart and soul, but also our emotions. And when it is mixed with the feeling of patriotism, it creates a great sensation and great love for our country, India. We endeavor to build a confident young generation of India. So here I am going to announce the winners of the solo singing competition of class nursery. So we'll begin with class nursery A. The winners are as follows. The first position goes to Advik Verma. The second position goes to Nityam Sharma. And the third position goes to Vani Bhatti.
Good morning, respected father, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Advik Verma. I am 3 years old. I study in class nursery E. I am presenting a song as a dish है मेरा. धरती सुनहरी अमल नीला हर मौसम रंगीला ऐसा देश है मेरा ओ ऐसा देश है मेरा. Good morning, respected man. Oh my dear friend. My name is Dhamsama. Class nursery A. My song name is Nanna Manna Rayu. Nanna Manna Rayu. Desh ka sipahi. Bolo mere sa. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Hello ma'am. Good morning. My name is Vani Bhatti. My class name is Nursery A. My song is Everybody Know. मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद है उनकी जरा याद करो.
Now we move on to class nursery B. Nursery B first position goes to Shanaya Singh. Second position goes to Arav Sharma. And the third position goes to Dakshesh Mishra.
Hello all. My name is Shanaya Singh. I study in nursery B. Today I will sing छोड़ो कल की बातें, छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी हम हिंदुस्तानी. Good morning ma'am and friends. I am Ara Sharma. I study in nursery B. कविता धंधा देखो बच्चों ये धंधा प्यारा इन्हों रंगों का मेल थारा सजा दे. My name is Dakshesh Mishra. I study in nursery B. Sing a song. This song is We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart.
The winners of class nursery C are as follows. first position goes to Parth Sharma, second position goes to Akshita Chauhan, and the third position goes to Richa Kumari.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Parsalma. I read nursery C. Song is Tin Mitti में मिर्जावा ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी में नस नस में तेरा इश्क बेफिका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से कल के खून कहे. Good morning, everyone. My name is Akshita Chauhan. I study in nursery C class. Today I will sing a song. नन्ना मुन्ना रहाई, नन्ना मुन्ना रहाई हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग. जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. Morning teachers, my name is Richa Kumari and nursery C. मैं आपको एक सॉन्ग सुनाना चाहती हूँ. ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मेरे आबाद रहे तू. ऐ वतन मेरे वतन.
Now we move on to class Nursery D. The first position goes to Pallavi Singh, second position goes to Jaden Biju, and the third position goes to Ansh Shrivastava.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kavita. I study in nursery. My favorite poem is Nanna Munnarai. देश का सिपाही बोलो मेरे साथ. जय हिंद जय. Morning to all. My name is Ramiru. How can not read? तांगे नन्ना मुन्ना राइयो, देश का सिपाहियो, बोलो मेरे संग. जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anshwata from Nursery D. मैं चाहूँगी नन्ना मुन्ना राई, नन्ना मुन्ना राइयो, देश का सिपाही.
The winners of class Nursery E. The first position goes to Tejasvi Gupta. Second position goes to Satvi Pandey, and the third position goes to Ridhika Kumari.
Hello, good morning. My name is Tejasvi. I will class C. I am going to sing a song for a nation. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Tatvi Pandey. I study in nursery E. Today I will sing a song. ऐ वतन वतन में आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ हूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू. ऐ वतन. Morning, ma'am. My name is Ritika Kumar. I am studying nursery. I am going to sing नन्ना मुन्ना राही. नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग. जय हिंद जय हिंद.
Congratulations to all the winners and the participants of class Nursery who participated in this online solo singing competition. And now I'm going to hand over the stage to Ma'am Shweta. She will announce the winners of class LKG. Thank you.
Thank you, Aradhna ma'am. Wow, such a great performances has been given by the students of class nursery. Listening to their melodious voice has left us all with an elated heart. Now, taking the today's event further, I, Shweta Gaurav, would like to announce the names of the winners from class LKG, whose remarkable singing have made us all exhilarated. So without any further ado, let's begin with class LKG and let's listen their name. From LKGA, the first prize goes to Arav Raj. Second prize goes to Soumya Singh. And the third prize is backed by Adrija Goha.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Arav Raj. I study in class LKG. I am 4-year-old. I am going for the second song. और आंजना ये तेरी सांसों में थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हकता ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के तेरा मेरा साथ यहीं तकता. Good morning, respected teacher. I, Soumya Singh, LKG. I am 4 years old. My school name is St. Joseph School. Presenting song. होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. Hello everybody, my name is Adrija Goha. I study in LKGA. My school's name is St. Joseph School. Song name, we shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I believe we shall overcome someday.
From LKGB, the first position goes to Prathamesh Kaushik. The second prize goes to Purav Sharma and the third prize is backed by Kushant Sharma.
My name is Prathamesh Kaushik. I study in class LKGB. My patriotic song is आज हिमालय की चोटी से, आज हिमालय की चोटी से फिर हमने ललकारा है, दूर हटो, दूर हटो, दूर हटो है दुनिया वालों, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है. Hello everyone, my name is Purav Sharma. I study in LKGB. My school name is St. Joseph School. My song name is भारत हमको, भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है. सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है. भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है. My name is Kushant Sharma. I study in class LKGB and my school name is St. Joseph School, Greater Noida. And my song is We Shall Overcome, We Shall Overcome, We Shall Overcome, We Shall Overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I believe we shall overcome someday.
From LKGC, the first position is secured by V Tiger. Second position goes to Pragya Negi and the third position is backed by Pratyush Thakur.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is V Tiger. I study in LKGC. मैं एक गाना सुनाने जा रहा हूँ. Sing a song. नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग. जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद. रास्ते पे चलूंगा न डर डर के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के. मंजिल से पहले ना लूंगा कहीं दम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम. दानी बाय दानी बाय दानी बाय दानी बाय थम. Good morning everyone. My name is Prajaniti from class LKGC. Today I am going to sing a motivation song. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We
position goes to Anya Sharma. The second position goes to Prayan Shukla. And the third position is bagged by Divyan Saini.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anya Sharma. I study in LKG. Today I present a patriotic song. नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ, नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. Hello everyone. My name is प्यान शुक्ला. नाम नारायण हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. मैम आज दिवाली activity पीछे overcome पीछे overcome पीछे overcome
From LKGE, the first position goes to Devanshi Mian, second position goes to Mansi Sharma, and the third position is bagged by Devas Bhardwaj.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम देवांश सिंह मिया है. मैं आज आपके सामने एक देशभक्ति गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ. तलवारों पे सर बारूदिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे एक केसरी रंग सजाया है. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Mansi Sharma. I study in LKG class. Today is my solo singing. मेरा मुल्क, मेरा देश, मेरा ये वतन, शांति का, उन्नति का, प्यार का चमन. Good morning everyone. My name is Devat Bharadwaj. My studying is LKG class. My school name is St. Joseph. नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे जय हिंद जय हिंद.
And last but not least, let's listen the names of the winners of LKG F. The first position goes to Icha Sharma, second position goes to Koshika Singh, and the third prize is bagged by Pulkit Singh.
Hello ma'am and hello my dear friend. My name is Icha Sharma. I am 4 years old. I study in class LKG section and my school name is St. Joseph School. My song is तुझको ना देखूं तो जी घबराता है. तुझको ना देखूं तो जी घबराता है. देख के तुझको दिल को मेरे चैन आता है. देख के तुझको दिल को मेरे चैन आता है. Good morning, ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Koshika Singh. I am 4 years old. I study in class LKGF. Today, I am going to sing a motivational song. दिल है छोटा सा, दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की, भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा, दिल है छोटा सा. Good morning everyone. My name is Pulkit Singh of class LKGI. I am presenting in song नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
Congratulations to all the winners from class LKG who have entertained us with such exuberant performances. Their zeal and enthusiasm is truly unmatched. Keep up the good spirit. Now I would like to call upon Ma'am Shireen to announce the names of the winners from class UKG. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shweta ma'am. Now I am here to announce the winners of class UKG. Starting with UKG A, first prize goes to Bhavika Singh, second prize goes to Shaurya Bhati, third prize goes to Yukti Singh.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम भाविका सिंह है। मैं कक्षा यूकेजी ए में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आपके सामने एक देशभक्ति गाना सुनाने जा रही हूँ, जिसके बोल हैं मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश, मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश, मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार हैं मेरा तन मेरा मन, ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। I study in UKG class. Today I am going to sing the song इंसाफ की डगर पे, इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम्ही हो पल के, दुनिया के रंग से है ना और कुछ न मुंह से कहना। Good morning, respected ma'am and my dear friends. My name is Yukti Singh. I am 5 years old. I am in class UKG section A. Today I am going to sing a motivational song, We Shall Overcome. So let's get started. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome.
Now next, class UKG B, first prize goes to Saksham Fogart, second prize goes to Vedika Garg, and third prize goes to Anag Upadhyay.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Saksham Fogart. I study in class UKGB. Today, I am going to sing a song. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। Study UKGB Section B. We are celebrating Independence Day. My song is सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदू। My name is Anag Upadhyay. I study in UKGB. Today I am singing a song, नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ,
Now, class UKG C, first prize goes to Anabya Khan, second prize goes to Saksham Sharma, and third prize goes to Krisha Gupta.
Today I sing a song, चले चलो बार बार हाँ बोलो यार हाँ अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ Morning ma'am, my name is Shaksham Sharma. I study in UKGC class. Today my solo singing मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन Good morning teachers. I am Krisha. I study UKGC. I will sing a song हमें हिंदुस्तानी सुनो गॉड से दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो सुनो गॉड से दुनिया वालों
Now class UKG D. First prize goes to Prisha Paul. Second prize goes to Advita Shrivastava. And third prize goes to Sarvika Sarvesh.
I am Prisha of class UKGT. Today I am going to participate in singing competition. So let's start. ऐ वतन वतन मेरी आबाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरी आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू Today I am participating in a singing competition. I am singing patriotic song in front of you. The title of my song is Everton, Everton. So let us start. Everton, Everton, हमको तेरी कसम तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे फूल क्या चीज़ है तेरे कदमों में हम भेंट अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे ऐ वतन I am Sarvika Sarvesh from UKGT. I am presenting the song मेरी देश की धरती मेरी देश की धरती मेरी देश की धरती मेरी देश की धरती
Now let's move on to class UKGE. First prize goes to Nia Jacob. Second prize goes to Bhavya Shri. And third prize goes to Vihan Kapoor.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Nia Jacob from UKGE. Today I am going to sing the song "ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम." This song motivates us and inspires us not to lose hope even during the darkest times. So let's begin. ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम ऐसे हो हमारे करम नेकी पर चले और बुद्धि से डोले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम ऐसे हो हमारे करम Hello everyone, my name is Bhagyashri from UKGE. Today I have selected that song Choti Si Aasa. So let's start. दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा My name is Brian Kapoor. I study in UKGE. Now I will sing a song. नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ देश का सिपाही हूँ
Now class UKG F. First prize goes to Sankirti Fulara. Second prize goes to Ahan Chaudhary. And third prize goes to Sara Joyal.
My name is Ankita Fulara. I study class UKGF. Today I am going to sing a song named Maa Tujhe Salam. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. जहाँ वहाँ सारा जहाँ देख लिया, कहीं भी तेरे जैसे कोई नहीं है. 80-100 दिन दुनिया घुमा मैं, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं. मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती हिलाती. सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही. माँ तुझे सलाम. Good morning everyone. My name is Zahan Chaudhary. I study in class UKGF. I am presenting a song मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन. मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन. Today I am going to sing a song. सारे जहां से अच्छा
Congratulations to all the winners of solo singing competition. This competition has given tremendous inspiration to our young singers to come forward and to sing on stage with full confidence. Our little singers came up with different patriotic and motivational songs with full of expressions, rhythm and confidence. We could feel the patriotism in the eyes and hearts of our students during their performances. I hope our audience have also felt the same. How can we end this inspiring event without thanking Reverend Father Vinoy, manager of our school, Reverend Father Alvin Pinto, principal, Reverend Sister Mabel, headmistress of pre-primary wing, Reverend Sister Zita, headmistress of primary wing, and Mr. Josmon Baby, coordinator of middle wing, for supporting and providing a virtual stage for our young students. Secondly, I would like to thank our pre-primary teachers for encouraging our young minds to come forward and perform. Finally, I would like to thank our beloved parents for encouraging, supporting, inspiring and nurturing our young Josephite during this difficult period. Thank you one and all.